Here it is, another variation of the Porsche Cayman. It looks the same, a mid-engine two-seater sports car. It's got a Porsche badge on the front and it says Cayman on the side, but this one's a little bit different. Now Porsche make various different versions of the Cayman. The R, the S, the GTS. This is the Porsche Cayman T. The T takes loads and loads of the best options on Porsche's option list and combines it into this. A 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine sat right behind my back, capable of propelling this car to 60 miles an hour in 4.5 seconds. And it won't stop accelerating until it reaches a mind-boggling 170 miles an hour. A standard Cayman T comes with a manual gearbox. This car's been fitted with PDK, Porsche's word for an automatic gearbox. I've driven plenty of cars with flappy paddles, just standard auto. Porsche do it very, very well. You change quicker than you can blink. Woohoo! So Porsche sat down and thought, we want to build a car which isn't too hardcore, it's not too racy, it's still going to appeal to people who want a nice car for the road. That's when the Cayman T arrived. They've stripped the metal door handles into these fabric tethers, which I quite like, they're quite race-esque. There's no fancy dials on the steering wheel, it's quite basic. But what they've replaced the car with makes this superb. Let me show you one little thing which I love. Now Porsche claim a car cannot go through its production line unless it can go from 60 to 0 in half the time it can go from 0 to 60. And there's one way to find out if that's the case. Foot hard on the brake, round to Sport Plus, hard on the throttle. That's 60, and boy, does that stop. So in Porsche's very own words, the Cayman T has been designed for maximum driving pleasure. They've taken off a few bits off the standard Cayman to make it more hardcore and make it a real driver's car. They've taken all the good little bits off their option list, put it into one car, and the result is this. It looks purposeful, sat 20mm lower to the ground with these whopping 20-inch wheels. Comes as standard with the Sports Chrono Pack with a fancy clock on the dashboard and basically gives you a customised driving mode at the flick of a switch. It's also got Porsche Active Suspension Management, or PASM for short, and finally Porsche Active Drivetrain Mounts. I mean, I have driven plenty of Porsches in my time. I am a self-confessed Porsche fan, but this is remarkable.